So today I'm working on a Miele hood fan. Customer complaint is no motor function, no noise, but the lights work. So we'll be opening it up and seeing what's up with this. So upon inspecting the motor, this is your blower wheel. You can see that it's very hard to turn. It seems like the motor bearings here are seized. Again, if we turn it on, we can kind of just see it humming and trying to turn. So I do have a new one here with me, and we'll just be installing that guy. So again, this is the new hood fan. We can see how freely the motor blower here spins compared to this one right here. And this is just another angle of the old one, right? So, and this is just the angle of the old one compared to... Alright, so the new motor is installed. That's the old one right here. Just gonna give it a test, turn it on.